a warrant of arrest. So, you will just have to kill me. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti.
We're just going through the process.
Kaya nga.
Yes, sir.
You are placing under arrest as deputized to me by the PCTC.
Ma'am, sorry.
By virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say may be used for and against you in the court.